First, you will search the words OrionNet configuration utility on your PC to have this configuration box appear. Next, you will select the configuration that you want to make adjustments to from the drop box next to the word configuration. You will right-click on the configuration name and click Add Data Source. You may rename the data source name or leave it as it appears. The data source type, derived channels, click OK. Immediately below the newly added data source name, you will right-click, click Add Channel. For the new channel type, we will call it Increase Press or Increase Pressure. Click OK. The channel type will remain as Other. The system units, we will search PSI. Derived channel type, click the word Edit next to Equation, and you will paste in the following formula that we can provide you, or you can select them from the channel menus above. We have now added a new data source and a new channel. We need to repeat the process, so right-click on the configuration name, add data source. This one will be called Manual. Under data source type, select CTES manual channels. OK. Immediately below the newly added data source name, right-click, add channel. This channel will be called Zero Press for zero pressure. Channel type remains as Other. Data type will be changed to numeric data. The low scale, change it to -10,000. For the system units, we will select PSI. Click Save. You have now added 2 new data sources with a new channel under each data source. You can close out your OrionNet configuration utility, and we will now open Max Completions. This is the standard Max Completions landing page. It will visualize all of the jobs. You want to click Operations Management, Predefined Comments. First, we need to add a function. Click Function, click Add Function, and this box will appear. Status will be active, service line, coiled tubing, and the function name you will type in press increase and click Save. You will now have an active coiled tubing function with the words press increase. We will now click on predefined comments. Next, we need to add a predefined comment. The details that go within this predefined comment will be an active status. Service line will be coiled tubing. Application names and category names are safety. We are simply using this category because they have enough bandwidth to accept the changes that we are currently making. Under the comment, there's very specific verbiage that we can provide you. Manual channel none. Function, you will select pressure increase that we just added to the function list and click Save. So now we will have a predefined comment that is active for coiled tubing under the safety application with the very specific comment verbiage under the safety category with the function pressure increase. We can click under options and back to our jobs dashboard. At this point, we're going to open OrionNet once again and start a new job or continue an existing job. So please bear with me as OrionNet opens. So here, let's add a new job. You'll then select an operator that it is assigned to. CTES demo company for our case, a well name, API, and the job type. Finish. Mine is set up on a simulator, so you'll see information appearing. So in order to visualize the changes that we have just made, the newly created channels, you'll right-click on one of the variable tiles, select channel, select your data source, and then select the newly added channel. Repeat that process again, right-click, select channel, the new data source, zero pressure. So we have now added 2 new channels into OrionNet. In order to create a comment that will zero out the differential pressure, you can click on your job setup and we'll go to safety. Set 0 point. Click that and then add the new 0 PSI in order to adjust your differential pressure. So as you can see, we added this 0 point at negative 2500. The changes adjust here. The increase in pressure now calculates based on the number that we used to zero out the differential pressure. And when we go back to max completions, you will see the newly added job that we just created. And when we open that job dashboard, we can see the zero pressure that we selected in OrionNet is now reflected in max completions.